Alright, here's a brief tutorial on how to get the sound system PA system working. I'm looking at the back of the mixing board, and you can see I have main out left and right here, and this is going to go into the right and left inputs on the mixing board. You can see the white is going to the big mixing board out, and this will already be hooked up. Speakers I've hooked up from speaker out from the amplifier. Okay, so I've now connected the amplifier to the mixing board via the main out left right cables, and you can see I'm going main out from the mixing board to in to the right left on the amplifier. Then the speakers are going out to the speakers over here, and if you'll notice I have the red going to the positive and the black going to the negative on both sets of speakers. So that's basically how you hook it up. Now when you power this up, first thing you want to do, if you notice on the back, there's the power on switch. I'm going to power this up mixing board first. Okay, and I turn the phantom power on. I'm not going to need it, but then once you've powered that up, you're going to go down and power up the mixing board right here, or the amplifier right here. So you turn the amplifier on second. And when you shut it down, you do just the opposite. You turn the amplifier off, then the mixing board. And I'm going to hook up a microphone. So if you notice, I'm going to channel 1 in the back. And it says mic 1 right down here. And I'm going to hook the microphone into it. Oops. Sorry for all the jiggling here. And then along the front, I'm going to look at channel 1. And here's my channel 1 right here. Okay, I'm going to go up to the board and find the mic trim, and I'm going to adjust the microphone trim by talking into the microphone. Check, 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 until I get a strong signal where it's just about check, check. See how it's just peaking a little bit? Check, 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 check. That means I have a good strong signal. Now I'm going to assign it left, right, because that's where I'm going to have the speakers hooked up to the left, right, main out. So I press the button. And I'm going to, from this point out, put the fader up to unity for channel 1. So I go like this. It's right up to unity point. Then my main out right here, I'm going to put that up to unity. And my microphone is working on the board. You can see it working on the board right there. Okay, I'm getting a good strong signal. Now I'm going to go down to my amplifier, and I have my left and right knobs here, so I'm going to turn them up to about 3 to start. Now if I talk in my microphone, I'm actually getting a good strong signal. And that's how you hook it up. Now, to shut it down, you're going to do just the opposite. You're going to turn the volume down on the amp, left, right. You're going to turn the amplifier off first. Then I'm going to set the board back to where it was. Unassign it left, right. Put my trim back. Then I'm going to turn my board off. And there you go. Hopefully this will help you.